Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is a last video in multi-text classification in machine learning. Actually, the coverage of this video is making some few correction of errors, testing our project. So here in TFID vectorizer, it should be TFID transformer, something like that. Control S to save the changes. Then after, it's a time to test our project, right? So let me put in a text here. I need money for trading. Predict. Let's wait for a result. Now you can see the result is business. Let's predict once again. I like to watch Jet3 movies to see the crash of a text. It is entertainment though. Actually, that is an end of our tutorial on developing a multi-class text classification in Django, and we have in machine learning and Django. Just to put short summary of what we have covered, I think the key concept to take into your heads is most important thing when dealing with text in machine learning is count vectorizer, start, dig more deep in a technique. There is TF-IDF vectorizer, dig more in that model. Also, you can study about fit transformer, which is a method used to deal with text. Linear supportive vector machine is just an algorithm, so no need to dig in deep inside. So that it. Just to remind you that I'll put a link of source code below my video description, so you will download the source code together with dataset. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment, share and subscribe for the next video update. Thank you and see you in the next tutorials. Goodbye.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.